Are you aware of the hidden ingredient in your favorite natural sweetener?
Today we are comparing these natural sweeteners on the basis of three main criteria: taste, GI and calories, and their impact on our health. So first up we have white sugar. हम सब जानते हैं, हम हमेशा से खाते आ रहे हैं एंड इसका कैलोरीज के बारे में अगर बात की जाए तो इट गिव्स यू 4 कैलोरीज पर ग्राम and its GI is 65, which is significantly high. It gives you high sugar spike, and if consumed over time, it can also stress metabolism and result in gut related problems.
Next up we have brown sugar, जिसको लोग healthy मानते हैं, but actually में it is just white sugar brown color में, बस उसको tanning कर दिया गया है. लोग सोचते हैं कि उसमें मोलेसिस है, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज हेल्दी, बट जिस अमाउंट में इसको प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है इन इंडिया, वो मिनरल्स जिसको हम बात करते हैं कि ब्राउन शुगर में होते हैं, दैट डज नॉट गिव यू एनी हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स एंड इसका GI इज अराउंड 65. इट इज 4 कैलोरीज पर ग्राम, सो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर. जो इम्पैक्ट है दोज आर सिमिलर. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट हनी, जैगरी एंड डेट्स, ये हम सब खाते हैं, मैं भी खाती हूँ. मैं अपने ओट मील में, चिया पुडिंग में डाल के खाती हूँ, but I cannot consume it in everything. That is not a like-to-like replacement for sugar. If we talk about GI,
honey has a variable GI of about 45 to 70 with 3 calories per gram. Jaggery is usually high GI, around 70 to 84 with 3.8 calories per gram. And dates fall in the low to medium GI range of about 42 to 55 with 2.8 calories per gram.
Next up we have these modern age sweeteners, जिसका आपने नाम सुना होगा, monk fruit, stevia sweeteners. But most of the people do not know कि monk fruit या stevia में 1% से भी less actually content is of monk fruit and stevia, and more than 99% is erythritol.
Although it has zero GI and negligible calories, still it has a cooling aftertaste.
Erythritol was already linked to gut discomfort, and now emerging research is raising serious concerns about its impact on heart health too. Last up we have allulose. This is very new concept in India, and अगर globally बात की जाए, US, जापान, कोरिया, ऐसे बहुत सारे देशों में ऑलरेडी इसका यूसेज हो रहा है. इट इज बीइंग वेल रिसर्च्ड एंड स्टडीड अक्रॉस ग्लोबली.
Allulose has zero GI and almost negligible calories, which means the blood sugar spike is minimal. And when compared to erythritol, it is way gentler on the gut health.
And some researchers have also shown that it has prebiotic properties. It also caramelizes, so it can be used for baking as well. And अगर हम लोग टेस्ट की बात करें, erythritol is almost 60% closer to sugar, and if we talk about allulose, it is almost 70% similar to sugar. If you're looking for a sweetener that is similar to sugar but is a lot healthier and a lot better for your gut, for your family, then allulose would be that. Allulose is something that I can bring into my kitchen and I can replace sugar with it. And if you're looking to try allulose, go read about it, research a little more about it. Which of these sweeteners have you tried? Let us know in the comment section below.